there is a one with statement. What is the meaning of a with statement? Mm, the with statement was introduced in Python 2.5 actually. So what it will tell? It will tell how we can and what will happen if, for example, your file is not opened. So I will explain in detail. Just read the statement. The with statement is useful in a case of manipulating the file. A pair of statement is to be executed within a block of code in between. The syntax to open a file using the with statement is given below. For example, I will explain with the help of example, just directly focusing on a content with open, then there is a file name, then access mode, and as file pointer. The advantage of using a with statement is that it provides the guarantee to close the file regardless of how the nested block exits. It always suggests to use with statement in case of a file because if the file break, return or exception occur in a nested block of a code, then it automatically closes the file. We don't need to write the close function. It does not let the file to correct. And what is the meaning of that, guys? Understand carefully. Now, he says there is a one point, for example, there is a one keyword called with. So you write with, then the open function, then the file name and comma, then the read mode or the mode in which you want to open, and ASS is a keyword, and F is a file pointer. Okay, F is a file pointer. So the question is, there are the two syntax. One syntax you read earlier, this one, this one. One syntax is this one, where file pointer equal to open and the file name. Okay, like this, file pointer equal to open, file name, then the read mode. But here one syntax is there, open is there, but with a keyword called with, and then file pointer name would be in the end. So what is the meaning, guys? So he says that with the with function, if there are some tragedy happened in between the program. What is the meaning of the tragedy? For example, there is a one in your technical logic. For example, just consider that you have applied a break keyword, okay, or you have applied a return statement in between the code, and after break or return, for example, you write the close function, okay. So whenever the break or return, actually break and return are the keyword I already explained in my previous classes. So in short, break or return statement is a technical keyword which interrupt the execution of a program. Okay, return is a keyword which returns from the function, and break is a keyword which will interrupt the execution of a loop. So technically, whenever the break or return statement get executed, you will come out from the function or you will come out from the loop, and this close method will not able to execute. Why it not able to execute? Because forcefully you just get out from the particular loop or function, but close method is not executed. So that means your resource will not close in that case. So what happened with, if you write your code with the help of this particular with keyword, it ensures that even the execution of the program is interrupted, still it will close the resources.